And I welcome you back to the Debrinik channel. And today we are talking a little off topic. We normally talk about weather and such, but I want to talk about these 291 representatives, 94 U.S. senators, President Biden, Vice President Harris, and former Vice President Pence are defendants who could be removed from office and or tried for high crimes for participating in illegal operations. There's a fellow named Brunson, and he has filed a lawsuit in Utah, coming out of Utah, and it has made it to the high court. They're supposed to take this up coincidentally on January 6th. You may be asking yourself what's going on here. For those of you who don't know, after the overwhelming irregularities observed in the 2020 elections, ordinary citizens questioned the validity of those results. So did some intelligence agencies. In fact, there were palpable concerns that foreign entities colluded with domestic actors to subvert the elections, affecting the outcomes and the performance maneuvers favoring a candidate aligned with their interests. Some congressmen and a few senators raised valid arguments regarding electoral malfeasance. United States law provides a 10-day pause for Congress to review election-related data when such circumstances arrive. This examination should have been conducted prior to certifying the election that placed Biden into office. Instead, Congress rushed to install and argue a Manchurian candidate into presidency of the United States. 291 representatives failed to perform their legal requirements of reviewing prior to certifying. They intentionally refused to investigate the evidence and conspired to cover it up, is Bronson's claims. By allowing fraudulent votes to be counted, they acknowledgedly mocked their oath to support and protect the United States Constitution against all enemies, foreign and domestic. Brunson v Adams focuses not on the outcome of the presidential election, but on the representatives' failure to fulfill their legal duties. The defendants should have rejected the Electoral College votes for the states with untrustworthy, reliable, and unworthy electoral system. Instead, they committed what technically amounts to an act of war and treason. Should Brunson versus Adams succeed, the impel and stagger and life-threatening altering 291 representatives, 94 senators, President Joe Biden, Vice President Kamala Harris, and former Vice President Pence are defendants who could be removed from office or tried for high crimes for their participation in this illegal operation. This is a very interesting case. This could put us in constitutional crisis. Several folks could be removed from office. What do you guys think? You think this is going to go? I'm neutral on any of this topic as far as this goes, but I am concerned about the constitutional crisis that this could possibly affect. I'm sure most of you are one-sided or another. I don't care about that, honestly. I just care about the Constitution, and if it's not being held up correctly, that is a problem. This is not for me to say, let's put Trump back in office or keep Joe Biden in office. These are my views, and I hope you guys respect that, and I will not be participating in conversations below, so if you guys want to argue amongst yourself, just please be respectful, and you guys have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.